Hello, beautiful people. Welcome to another segment of our Bobo. This is Nneka Lawrence. So today we are no longer preparing abacha. We'll be looking at how we prepare. This is chicken Bobo, chicken delicacy. So stay tuned as we roll. Let me quickly introduce you to the ingredients we'll be using today. So look at our oil first of all. See how it's beautifully seated in a bowl. As you can see, after the oil, the next one is, this is the main ingredient. The bobo, the main ingredient. Then this is, I'm going to be adding oil bean, that's our oba. This is a little crayfish with calabash nutmeg. We pounded them together. This is a Maggi cube. We left it here because we have chicken stock. This is our stockfish. This is the stock from our chicken. This is, we have here our pepper, our salt, and here is the main protein. We have here goat meat and chicken. Like I told you, you can use anything. Goat meat, isiewu, and the rest. So please, let's go on. So first of all, we'll start with the oil. For us to get that creamy stock, we start with the oil. We'll now pour in the mixture, just like the way we did the abacha. Once you turn it, and pour it in, you continue stirring. You start stirring. Okay, so after pouring the mixture, you will get something like this. A lot of people have been coming to my DM to ask me, how do you really do this? You continue stirring until it turns yellowish like this. You see, it's no longer, once it's like this, you know that you have got it right. So look at this, as you can see, it's creamy and it's thick. So we are going to lighten it a little. What are we going to do? Let's use our stock before I start adding other ingredients. This is the chicken stock. Okay, I'm not going to pour everything. See, as I've done that, you now continue stirring. For it to blend together, you continue stirring. See the consistency? Have you seen the consistency? So after I've stirred it very well, look at how it looks like. What's the next ingredient? I think I'm going to be adding crayfish and the calabash nutmeg. Crayfish and calabash nutmeg. Each ingredient you add, you stir it. Stir it in. Okay, then I'll add pepper. I'm using dry pepper. Remember, anything you add, you stir in. Stir it so that it will blend together. So the next thing, I'm adding the oil bean, or what you call oba. Try this anytime you're making your isiewu or any type of bobo that you want to prepare. Add a little oil bean. You see the kind of taste it will bring out. And then after the pepper, let me quickly add the stockfish. The protein will be the last. Let me add the stockfish. You continue stirring. Okay, when you taste, you feel like adding a cube of Maggi, you can do that. Mind you, I told you that I'm using spice chicken stock, that I still want to add half cube of Maggi kitchen. Then I stir. The last thing after this is now the protein. So let me quickly add our protein. We have chicken, we have goat meat, and we have already added stockfish. So we'll now add the protein and turn together. Once you have added the protein, like I told you, I want this, I didn't want it to be thick, or else I would have reduced the water. Once you have added it in, you turn, your bobo is ready. So after this, I'm going to be mixing it. I'm going to be dishing it out. You continue stirring, then you now taste. Look at what it looks like. See, this one is intentional, the water. Okay, see what it looks like.